This week's mental health tips are 10 things to say to someone with autism and their parents. Hi, I'm Angela. I have a husband with bipolar II disorder, my kids have ADHD, and I myself have struggled with depression. You're not alone. If you missed last week's video, 10 things not to say to someone with autism, be sure to click on the link below. This week's mental health tips are 10 things to say to someone with autism and their parents. I'm glad you told me you have autism. It means a lot to me. Do you want to hang out? I'm here if you want to talk. We're friends and I really care about you. Is there anything that you want to tell me about how autism affects you? What can I do to help? If you ever need some downtime, I can definitely watch your kids. Do you need any help with transportation to doctor's appointments? I'm new to autism. Can you tell me more about it? You're doing an amazing job. Sometimes it's easy to focus on the things that people say that are hurtful. It just stands out like a neon sign on a dark night. But most of the time, it's from a lack of understanding and education about autism versus people trying to be insensitive or uncaring. The bottom line is that we all have a lot to learn when it comes to relationships. We're created for connection, so whether you have an autism diagnosis or not, our differences are actually making one another better when we make an effort to learn from one another. That's why I love what it says in Proverbs 27:17. As iron sharpens iron, so one person sharpens another. If you or a family member has an autism diagnosis, what would you add to the list? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And a big thank you to His Heart Foundation for supporting this channel. If you want more in-depth mental health information for you and those you love, check out mentalhealth.academy today.